there are about 15 that have committed. But as I've said, hindi naman ngayon ang election, but I believe pag nagbigay ng personal commitments. Pero syempre, there's a lot of talking, there's a lot of persuasion. It's an irony, sinasabi nila, huwag makialam ang bagong presidente. Pero yung Malacanang ngayon, nakikialam pa rin. They're still making calls. The present president still wants.
It's normal. I'm not surprised if any of the other SP aspirants would say that they have commitments. Everybody has commitments. It's easy to commit. The important thing is when you vote. Hindi pa namin alam yung 18 namin. Hindi pa nga namin alam kung sino SP namin.
Sir, even if
Nag-uusap pa sa kami. Still, hindi. It's not that easy. If we just want the Senate leadership, it's easy. Makipag-coalition ka lang doon sa mga LP, mga ganun. Diba? Okay ka na, ang dami mo nang kasama. Pero it's not that. You have to realize muna if you have the same objectives, you have the same goals, you have the same advocacies, then you come up with a majority